Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to create icon in PowerPoint. Yes, this icon Bluetooth. Yes, in video I create this icon for you. The sample can you make by yourself. Okay, let's start. Yes, and everyone's open PowerPoint and create slide. So now I make on this slide. Okay, the first step, everyone create these icons. Okay, home. Everyone see the shape diamonds. Okay. Okay, and everyone shape fill, snow, and shape outlines, size. Okay, you get 6, and then everyone create a rectangle. Okay, and merge this first. Okay, control this. Okay, already one step. Next step, everyone rotate. And then everyone control this and cut. And change color, black color. And everyone insert or rotate, and then everyone create shape already. And select all objects. Okay, change color, black color, sorry, and black color, and then everyone create background shape, set to back, and change color, white color, and no outline, save effects, and this reset file, and select all objects, Ctrl G, group, And so yeah, this is icon I create for you, the templates, and can you make by yourself. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share and like my channel. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next video.